Wedding reception of Dr. Ilyas Qamar, S. son attended by leading dignitaries of Faisalabad. Faisalabad report by SNN TV, Shahid Majid Malik. A grand wedding reception was hosted by renowned Faisalabad businessman, Drive. Ilyas Qamar, managing director of the IQ group of companies, in honor of his son's marriage. The event was attended by a large number of prominent personalities from the political, social, bureaucratic, and establishment circles of the city. Distinguished guests included Haji Zulfikar Ali Malik, provincial ticket holder of the Pakistan People's Party and Vice President of Anjuman Tehran City Registered SCA Group, Qamar Saeed, Visa Officer of the German Embassy, Waqar Khan, Director of the National Highway Authority (NHA), Major General Akhtar Hussain, Colonel Shahid Safraz Khan, Managing Director of Noorani Industries, and Sajid Noorani, Director of Noorani Industries. The event was held in a pleasant and cordial atmosphere, where the guests extended their heartfelt wishes to the groom and praised Drive. Ilyas Qamar for the excellent arrangements. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more news and events. snntvpk@gmail.com